Hey there, job seekers. Welcome back to Placements Nepal, your one-stop destination for all the latest job opportunities. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the best job openings in the market. Today, we have an exciting position for all you talented iOS developers out there. If you are passionate about creating cutting-edge mobile application for the iOS platform, then this opportunity is for you. Let's dive into the details. So at Hamro Patro, they are looking for a iOS developer to join their dynamic team. As an iOS developer, you will be the driving force behind designing and developing innovative mobile application for iOS user. Working closely with cross-functional teams, including designers and backend developers, you'll play a crucial role in delivering exceptional user experiences. As a iOS developer, your key responsibilities will include designing, developing, and maintaining high-quality iOS application, collaborating with cross-functional teams to define, design, and ship new features, ensuring the performance quality and responsiveness of application, identifying and fixing bugs while continuously improving application performance, staying up to date with the latest industry trends and best practices in iOS development. To be eligible for this position, you will need to meet certain requirements: a bachelor's degree in computer science engineering or a related field, a minimum 1 year of experience with iOS, proficiency in Swift and Object-C programming language, strong knowledge of iOS frameworks such as UIKit, Core Animation, and Core Data, experience with RESTful APIs and JSON integration, familiarity with Git or other version control systems, a solid understanding of the full mobile development lifecycle, the ability to work independently and in a team environment, excellent problem solving and debugging skills, strong communication and interpersonal skills. So, how can you apply to this job? I have provided the link to this job application in the video description. Click on that. You will come to this LinkedIn interface. So, this is an easy apply. Click on easy apply. Then LinkedIn will take all the details from your profile and you can directly apply to the job. Or you can apply by simply sending your resume, portfolio, or any other relevant work to the email ID that is flashing on your screen. Remember to include iOS developer application in the subject line of your email. Please note that only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. That's it for today's job opportunity. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting job openings, career tips, and industry insights only on Placements Nepal. Best of luck for your applications and we'll see you soon.